Hi everyone, my name is Ali. I am 15. I study at the Lyceum named after Zarifa Alayla. I have been interested in science since childhood. Favorite fields were physics, chemistry, programming, and robotics. Despite the fact in those years we didn't study the necessary subject at school, but thanks to the internet I received information and conducted numerous experiments during which I gained practical experience. As Henry Ford said, the best job is a well-paid hobby, and I completely agree with this opinion. Therefore, in order to turn my hobby into profession, I set a goal to obtain higher education at the best technological university. To achieve my goal, I chose to study US in Galata course. Currently, I am working on a project for a universal device that will create models by processing different materials. Uh, I consider the project have a big impact on cleaning environmental pollution and decrease the plastic usage. The project is quite complex, so to make work easier, I assembled this fully functional 3D printer from scrap material, which I want to show you. The main body I made of PVC pipes pressing into sheets using heat. I used rods from gas spring and the stepper motors I take from broken inkjet printers. The bed was made from sheets of plexiglass. All the blue parts were printed by 3D printer itself, and the black parts were printed on a small printer which I assembled in order not to use the ready-made part. Now it's disassembled because that such a parts as extruder and control board are used in this printer. By the way, these are only ready-made parts used in creation of these printers. In this printer, I use the axis of movement used guides from CD-ROM. This printer was created to facilitate the assembly of this printer, and it, in turn, facilitates the creation of main project. I will not go to detail about this project for the purpose of non-disclosure of copyrights, but after completing the assembly and receiving patent, I will definitely talk about it in detail in the video presentation of this project. Because of the fact that I work it alone without anyone's help, there are difficulties not only in creating mechanisms but also in programming and in general designing drawings and 3D models of the device. For modeling, I studied the Autodesk Fusion at a professional level, and I wrote the code in C++. As the main code was used Merlin firmware, which I configured for my purpose. In general, both 3D printers and many other devices I created to create this project, which turned out to be a quite difficult task. But despite these difficulties, I will bring my work to the end, and very soon I will demonstrate my project to everyone. Now I want to demonstrate how this printer works. When we turn it on, the screen shows current nozzle temperature and coordinates along 3 axes. When we press the button, we go to the menu with 3 items. Let's select print from SD and select the file for the printing. Printing goes from position and starts printing. A huge advantage of this printer is the ability to control speed, flow, acceleration, and other settings directly during the printing process that can achieve currently excellent